Hello friends, Jai Mata Di. All geared up for Navratras? That's good. Welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. Friends, if you like my video, please do subscribe and press the bell for notifications. Today I'll show you how to make this backdrop. For this I've used all these things. A chart paper, metallic colored sheets, 4-color, glue gun, flowers for decoration, white glue, scale, crepe paper, bell pins, compass, knives, scissors, a leaf garland, not to forget a thermocol sheet. And later down the video I realized I didn't keep the golden string. All good? To begin with, you will be needing 8 pieces of thermocol of the size 4 inches by 20 inches. Cut it using a very sharp knife. This is how the pillar is going to be formed. Let me show you how. Apply hot glue on one of the edges and paste the other piece onto it. Now to the other side. Similarly paste the other piece. This is pretty simple. Now you need to pay heed to how the fourth piece is to be mounted. This edge is going to be pasted to the upper piece. Apply glue and keep it aside. Now I'll apply glue on this piece and paste the lower edge to it, the one that I have not applied glue to in the previous one, like this. I hope you get it. Press it firmly so that it holds together. See, the pillar is formed. The edges on top and bottom run in this manner. The basic structure of the pillar is formed. Now we'll wrap it in this green crepe paper. Apply glue and paste it. Hey friends, here I need to tell you. If you are going to make this for some function, obviously then you are going to make a bigger size. And in order to hold the thermocol pillar upright, you need to put something heavy inside the hollow pillar. Get it? For the decoration, we'll be running the leaf garland around it. We'll be covering 3 sides of the pillar with it, leaving the 4th side blank. I'll tell you why later. I'm stacking it with the bell pins. I'm leaving 4 inches gap in between, like this. You'll notice that I'm covering only 3 sides of the pillar, not 4. So I'll be returning to the front from here. Again 4 inches gap. That's it. Again to the front. I have run short of the garland, so I'll be attaching another piece. I got this garland from the market. It's made of synthetic fiber, looks just like leaf. It can also be made at home using fabric or paper. Pretty easy to make. I had one, so I'm using it. Otherwise I would have made it. Now I'm putting up these flowers onto the pillar to add color and enhance the beauty of the pillar. Just putting it up randomly here and there. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? Once the front is done, I'll be adding few flowers to both sides also. We are done with one of the pillar. This is how it will look. In the previous pillar, we had put the leaf garland like this, but in this one we'll go the other way round, so that when they stand together, they look a bit in symmetry. Just see how I am doing. Once this is done, we'll be putting the flowers like in the previous one. Our pillars are ready. Now for the upper part, I am pasting 2 pieces of thermocol of size 20 by 3 inches with hot glue and will be wrapping it in the crepe paper. Paste it with white glue. Here also I'll be using the leaf garland and the flowers. Just see the arrangement that I'll be doing here. You can decorate it as you want. Even real flowers can go well. This backdrop that I am doing for Durga Puja can also be done for Ganesh Chaturthi or Janmashtami or any other religious festivals. It can be a good idea to use it for small wedding functions like mehndi and haldi. It will form a good photo booth for any function. Anyway, you will be needing 11 strings of 20-inch long each. Tie a knot on one end. Oops! I missed out on this one. I'm extremely sorry. I forgot to mention this golden string amongst the things required in the beginning. From the metallic colored sheets, we'll be cutting out small circles. Using a compass, draw a circle of 1.5 inch diameter. I hope you get it, it's 1.5 inch diameter. We'll be needing 6 pairs of circles for each string. This is how we are going to paste it in pairs. Now at the each knot we'll be putting up a bell pin through each string. Leaving 4 inches from both the sides of the top piece. At a gap of 1 inch each, we'll be fixing these strings, all 11 of them. We need to cut 2 pieces of crepe paper, each 5 by 5 inches. We'll be fixing it to the top end of each pillar with white glue. Covering it like this. That's good. Now cover a 5 by 9 inches of thermocol with metallic color sheet. This will form the base of our idol. Take a chart paper of size 22 by 24 inch. Now we'll be fixing this to the plain side or the plan side of the pillar on which we have not pasted anything. This will form our wall. I'm using hot glue to fix it. Let the lower edge of the pillar and the chart paper meet at bottom. Keep the extra paper towards the upper side. Follow similarly for the other pillar. Now make the pillar stand. We have a red chart paper at the bottom also. Stack the upper piece. The hangings are looking good. A bunch of flower on both the sides. Base for the idol. Some add-on to the decoration. I like doing it. Once this is done, my backdrop for Navratras is ready. You can use this backdrop for other functions or festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi or Janmashtami, or functions like Mehndi and Haldi, a good photo booth. Don't you think so? Come up with your ideas and suggestions in the comment box. How did you like the video, friends? Looking forward to your comments and suggestions. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up and please do subscribe. Press the bell for notifications. Thank you.